I like to start off my hair kind of damp on this. It's better to work off with a damp hair. You can also work with wet hair, but not soaking wet, okay? Don't work with soaking wet hair because sometimes it takes really long for it to dry. So kind of like, just like this. You know, it's not soaking wet. My hair is not dripping, but I can feel the dampness, damp to wet hair. So yeah, I hope you guys that was clear. So basically, this is what I'm going to do. I know that some of you do not like to French braid or to Dutch braid your hair because you know it's like really hard for you to do. So basically, this is what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to take this upper section of my hair on top, and I'm just going to braid it regularly. Now once you braid it, make sure that you braid it tightly so that the waves are going to come out really nice. Use an elastic band, rubber band, and just kind of braid just like that. Also, I'm going to do that on to the hair right here. Just on the other side of my hair, and I will be right back. So now once that's done, all you have to do is like spray your hair. I'm using the Herbal Essence hairspray. Spray my hair.